Hello everyone and welcome back to the Carghost show. Today sadly is a terrible episode since I was coming back home from shopping and my belt snapped. I mean, the power steering stopped and all the other functions of the car, and I got this little angry robot inside my dash, and ABS off and ESP off and a bunch of malfunctions. Now I should have changed the belt a few days ago when I heard it do when I revved the car, but I didn't. So now I'm gonna pray that I make it to the mechanic without the car dying. And it says low battery convenience functions are not available, so that's another thing. Let's see, when the belt snaps, the alternator don't work and the hydraulic system don't work. So yeah, wish me luck. We're going to the mechanic. I'm gonna need two hands to drive this car because the wheel doesn't turn, so I'll see you there. Also, the temperature is slowly raising, and I am really lucky that it's freezing outside. It's like 30 something degrees, 33 degrees. So the car is not gonna overheat, but I'm going a short distance. Hopefully I may finally made it at the mechanics. Yeah, I was scared. The car is almost at overheating temperature. I barely made it, so I don't know. Now I'm gonna leave it and let's see what he says. Alright guys, my life is saved. The car is almost on the lift. The car dentist is over there working his magic, but he's gonna get to the car after he finishes with this Crown Vic. And I'm gonna go to work, and when I come back I'll give you an update on the car, okay? So yeah, when you hear the belt make noises, go and change it before it snaps. Alright guys, the car is ready. I'm finally picking it up. Here we go. Let me show you what was done to it, so you guys know what to expect when you actually get this problem. So Serpentine belt actually not only powers the fan that cools the car, but it also powers the, let's get rid of this first, but it also powers the alternator. So you're gonna lose power, you're gonna lose stability control and all that stuff from the power, and you're gonna lose cooling. So if it's a hot day, don't drive the car because it's gonna overheat. Mine went above 120 degrees Celsius, but it did not overheat. So this is a Serpentine belt. That's about $55 part, and this pulley was disintegrated right here. I don't know if you can see it, this plastic one right there. So those two things plus labor costed me $150. $150 is actually pretty damn good. Same job in Mercedes would probably cost you about, I don't know, I'd say $450, maybe like $500, because their time is really expensive. So yeah, to avoid this, anytime you hear a noise, check for cracks on your belt. Usually the 100,000 miles you gotta change it on these cars. This is the M272 engine. If you found this video slightly amusing or a little informative, hit the thumbs up and subscribe for a lot more videos on this car. Soon I'm gonna make a video on how to change the oil on this engine and a few other things. I don't know even if you can hear me, but if you did like the video, hit the thumbs up and subscribe for a lot more. Next video, actually we are at almost 2,000 subscribers. Next video I'm gonna do a little giveaway for you guys, since I really appreciate you hitting the subscribe button. Somebody is gonna win a, well, let's keep it a secret. See you in the next video. Bye.